General Hospital, GH, spoilers tease that Josslyn Jax, Eden McCoy, will get a shock in the park. GH recently released a preview video for Monday, September 30th, which reveals an infuriating encounter for Joss. She'll be waltzing along with her phone when a familiar voice calls out to her. Josslyn will recognize it instantly and dread what's next. Sure enough, Joss will look up to find Nelle Benson, Chloe Lanier. It turns out Nelle will be busy doing some gardening with a few other inmates. She'll convince the guard she's somewhat befriended to let her speak with Josslyn. The clip shows Nelle saying, "She's the one I told you about. The girl who's alive thanks to my kidney donation." Nelle certainly takes every opportunity to milk the whole kidney angle, doesn't she? She'll probably do that until the end of time. The guard will give Nelle 1 minute to chat with Josslyn, but Joss won't see the point. She'll make it clear that Nelle's saccharine act isn't going to work on her. They've been down this road before and Joss isn't going down it again. After the nightmare Nelle inflicted on Michael Corinthus, Chad Jewell, and his family, none of them will trust Nelle for as long as they live. Speaking of Michael, General Hospital spoilers say Nelle will ask about him during their discussion. Josslyn will be happy to report that Michael has a girlfriend who's super kind, smart and beautiful. She'll insist that they all really like her, which will be an obvious jab at Nelle, who's absolutely loathed by every member of the fam. Once Josslyn's done gloating about Michael and Sasha Gilmore's, Sophia Matson, bliss, Nelle will suggest that's wonderful. She'll keep up the phony charm, but Joss won't buy it for 1 second. Later, Josslyn will bring Michael up to speed on this little park run-in. Michael won't be pleased to learn Nelle's been bothering Josslyn, but he'll get satisfaction out of knowing his ex had to head straight back to prison. General Hospital spoilers say Michael will assume Nelle's never going to be a threat again, but perhaps he shouldn't be so certain. Nelle seems poised to escape sooner or later, so she could be the next wily kidnapper if they don't keep an eye on him. We'll give you updates as other GH news comes in. Stay tuned to the ABC soap and don't forget to check CDL often for the latest General Hospital spoilers, updates and news.